All right, folks, I wanted to take a minute to talk about Micron. This is MU stock. Everybody's hyped up about this. Everybody's having a really good time. We saw yesterday that Donald Trump had a rally in New York, and he's talking about Micron, right? He's telling people all about it, right? So we have something over here called the cheat sheet, okay? And what this does is it measures the psychology of the market as a stock or an ETF or a crypto, right, goes up and down. So you could see that Micron is up. You could see that post back here said that Micron's up 708% in the last year, okay? So it's already gone up 700%, right? So what I want to show you guys here on this cheat sheet is this is what's happening right now. We're in the middle of the mania phase where all of retail and everyone's really excited about it, right? Donald Trump's talking about it. Everything's good. But when you look at the mean down here, this is the most important thing you guys can take away from my videos. Just understanding how to get something at a fair price, okay? So the fair price, we can all agree, is the average price, right? If it's below the average, okay, mean is just another word for average. If it's below it, that's a discounted price. If it's at the mean, it's a fair price. If it's up off the mean, it's expensive, right? It's trading at a premium, right? Micron currently is trading up here at $750. That is almost 80% off of the 4-year average. Okay, so the average price over the last 4 years for Micron is at $200. It's 80% off of that line right now. So we want to buy assets that are either into the mean or down here below the mean, looking at things from a 4-year point of view, right? When you see this separation off that blue line on our trading indicators, okay, that means that we are in this phase. We are in this delusion phase where everybody thinks this is the greatest company ever. Everything's going up. Everybody just buy Micron, right? This is when the retail, the public gets involved, okay? And this is why I created this channel, guys, because I see it all the time, right? People want to chase these pumps. Guys, our buy signal came down here in April of last year on Micron down here at $75, okay? We only buy when this wave is down here given a green dot. This is where we want to load up on the names that we want to own in the long term, okay? This is where we bought Micron, okay? Nobody was talking about it down here. Okay, we were in a stealth phase. We were down here. Nobody was talking about it. Stealth phase means it's quiet, not a lot going on. Okay, that's when the smart money wants to load up. Smart money's not buying after a 700% move all the way to the upside. You guys are exit liquidity on this. So I'm short chips right now. I've been short chips. I think it's finding a top. 80% off the 4 years, just done. Okay, again, we wanna buy assets that are closer to the average or below the average on a weekly chart. Okay, 4-year time frame. We're not looking things day to day. Look at something like AV here. There's a lot of names. I just dropped a watch list on YouTube. Covered all the names I'm looking at next week, but AV is sitting down here at the 4 year. So we want to buy at the 4 year, not way off it.